Hi everyone, Carol here from Low Inspired, and welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for joining me. I wanted to show you guys how I'm going to create a birthday card. It's my niece's birthday on Monday, and I love creating cards in Cricut Design Space. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to open up a blank canvas. All right, and I love going to the projects. As you can see, a lot of people post a lot of their projects that they have completed with instructions so that you can create it as well. So I'll go over here to the search bar and I'm gonna type in birthday card. Birthday card, there you go. And then I'm hit search. And there's so many beautiful cards and projects to create here and choose from. So I already saw the one I like, and I like this one. So when you click on it, you get kind of like a preview, which is always nice. And if you click the arrows here, it shows you a little bit about the project and also how it's going to look on Design Space. So I'm really happy I picked this card because it has an envelope, and I usually like the cards that have that envelope. So this project is showing that it's easy and less than 30 minutes. So also includes materials, anything else, and instructions on how to put the card together. So I love going in and creating these fun projects. So because I don't need to customize it, I am just gonna click make it. And it takes me right onto the mat, preview of the mat, let's say. And as you can see here, it's gonna score and then cut. All right, and it's gonna score these lines here. So I'm going to go ahead and click continue. And I wanna show you guys how I will select the cardstock, but also it's very important that you notice that you're gonna need to load the single scoring wheel in clamp B. And you have to make sure it's 0, 1, when it tells you 0, 1, or it can be 0, 2. So here is my tool, and I'll double check that it's the 0, 1, and it is. All right, so now I'm gonna load it onto my Cricut Maker. And by the way, these are the papers that I'm gonna be using. Can't wait to show you that. So I'm just gonna come over here really quickly. Sorry. I'm gonna take out my blade, and then I'm gonna insert here. I wanna make sure that it's goes aligned perfectly. And my maker is ready to go. So I'm going to load my mat with my first sheet. All right. And I'm gonna click go. Make sure that my paper's sticky. And it's gonna cut. Well, score then cut. Okay everyone, now that you saw how my machine cut everything, here is everything that came out, and I'm loving it. I'm keeping this, gold, white, and that beautiful pink. And I'm gonna be using my Lily Lynn hot glue gun to put everything together. So I'll do another quick video for you. Okay, everyone, so now that you saw how I created the card, here is the final result, and I am really happy with it. Like I said, I really love using a variety of patterned cardstock paper, and of course I had to add a little bling just to make it a little extra special. And as you can see, here's the envelope, and it's just the perfect size for the card. And again, using a pretty patterned cardstock paper can make this so beautiful and your own. So my card is ready to give. I have to write a little something sweet in there, and voila, I am all done. So thank you guys for joining me, and if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. I love the appreciation and support. And as always, if you have any questions, always leave me a comment below and I'll be happy to help out. Thank you for joining me. Bye.